today's video, I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth speaker to your Skyworth Smart TV. Now, over here, I have the Skyworth Google TV, but following the same steps, you should be able to connect even your Skyworth Android TV as well to a Bluetooth speaker. Now, first things first, you want to make sure that your Bluetooth speaker is turned on and is on pairing mode. And as you can see over here, mine is currently turned on and is currently on pairing mode. And once that is done, on your Skyworth Smart TV over here, you want to head over to the settings icon, usually at the top right corner of the TV. So just scroll horizontally from the top until you get to this settings icon over here. Now from here, you want to scroll down until you get to the Bluetooth option over here. Go ahead and select it. Now you just want to scroll down and click on pair accessories over here. And automatically, your Skyworth Smart TV will start looking for available Bluetooth devices it can actually connect to. And as you can see, it has successfully found my Bluetooth speaker over here, which is basically BT speaker. So I'll go ahead and select it. Now go ahead and click on pair. And automatically, your Bluetooth speaker will be connected to your Skyworth Smart TV. Now at this point, you can go ahead and start playing any video or sound from your Skyworth Smart TV, and the sound will start coming out from your Bluetooth speaker over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.